An undervalued business idea that nobody's talking about, if executed properly, can earn you $1,600 per day in passive income. That's right, folks. All you have to do is just watch this video from the beginning to the end. I'm going to explain step by step on how you can get started so that you can finally achieve financial success. But before we get started, I have a question for you. Do you play video games? I'm assuming that you do. But if you're like me, nowadays, I like to play games with my families and friends. Playing games with friends is a great way to bond as it encourages teamwork, communication, and cooperation. It also provides an opportunity for people to escape their everyday lives so that they can have fun with the people that they care about. But one of the things that I always thought that would be amazing is if there was a place where everybody could go to play games together. Now, of course, I can always invite my friends over so that we can play games together, but sometimes it would be nice to change your environment and actually go out to a place where you can meet other people that are there for the same reason. Now, this is where a gaming lounge business comes into play. And here's a cool thing. You don't actually have to be a gamer to start this business. All you have to do as a business owner is to provide a location, gaming computers, and have a reliable network setup. The type of people who go to gaming lounges is often someone who is passionate about video games. They tend to have a wide knowledge of the different games and consoles available, and they are eager to try out the latest releases. They often enjoy competing against other gamers as well as socializing with friends. Now, this can be a dream business for you, as you can already imagine people coming into your business simply just to have fun and to enjoy themselves. Now, not only that you can earn $1,600 a day from your gaming lounge business, you as a business owner can also partake in playing games with your customers when they come to your store. So not only that you're generating passive income from your gaming lounge business, you are also meeting new people and making new friends, and you get to play the games yourself with others. And also, if you get a popular YouTube gamer to your gaming lounge, this can have a significant positive impact on your gaming lounge business. Now, let's talk about the pricing structure and how you can generate $1,600 per day from your gaming lounge business. Now, of course, this is not going to happen overnight. This can take months or even up to a year to generate this kind of income. But we are going to do the math so that you can see how it's possible. Let's make an example here. Let's assume your gaming lounge can accommodate 20 people at one time, charging each individual $10 per hour. If the average customer spends 4 hours in your lounge, this amounts to $800. Now keep in mind, more than likely, your store will be open for 8 to 12 hours a day. Therefore, you have the potential to double or even triple your daily income. But it gets even better. Not only will you charge your customers an hourly rate for your gaming lounge, but you will also be able to increase your daily revenue by offering food and snacks. Not only that this will draw in more customers, but this can keep your customers in your gaming lounge for a longer period of time. And the longer you can keep them inside your lounge, the more money you will make per hour. Snacks and food items are an important part of any gaming lounge business. Customers love to munch on snacks and food items while playing video games. To ensure your gaming lounge business is a success, it is important to offer a variety of snacks and food items that appeal to your customers. Popular items to offer includes energy drinks, candy bars, chips, popcorn, and other snacks. To maximize sales, offer food items that are easy to eat while playing, such as sandwiches, wraps, and pizza. Additionally, offering healthy options such as fruits, yogurt, and granola bar is a great way to appeal to a larger customer base. Alrighty, you guys, let's put on our entrepreneur hats on, and in this video, we're going to learn how to start a gaming lounge business. Like with any business, the first and most important thing to do is to create a business plan, especially if you're going to need funding. However, in this video, we're not going to go over the long details that's involved in creating a business plan, and instead, we're going to talk about creating and refining your business pitch. Now, here's a business pitch that you can use and say to potential investors so that you can get the funding to start your gaming lounge business. Hello there, Mr. Big Pockets. I am looking to launch a gaming lounge business, and I am seeking capital to get the business up and running. The gaming lounge will offer a variety of services and products to the gaming community, such as gaming consoles, virtual reality equipment, gaming tournaments, and merchandise. With this business, I am confident that I can create a unique and engaging gaming experience that will attract customers and provide them with a place to hang out and enjoy gaming. The capital that I am looking to secure will be used to purchase gaming consoles and virtual reality equipments, pay for rent and utilities, and hire staff. Additionally, I plan to use the capital to invest in marketing and advertising to reach a larger audience and increase our customer base. This will also help create a more sustainable business model, as our customers will be the primary source of revenue. I believe that my gaming lounge business is a great investment opportunity, as it has the potential to generate a steady stream of income. The gaming industry is booming, and I am confident that my business will be successful. With your investment, I am sure that I can create a successful business that will provide a great service to the gaming community. A simple business pitch like this is enough to get you going. The reason why a business pitch is important is because it is used to convince potential investors that the idea is worth pursuing. A business pitch should be persuasive and informative, outlining the potential benefits and risk of the venture and explaining why the idea is worth investing in. It should also be creative and engaging, providing an engaging narrative that is tailored to the potential investors and should capture their attention. After creating a business pitch along with detailing your business plan, the next step is to lease a building to house your gaming lounge business. Leasing a building to start a gaming lounge business can be a cost-effective and low-risk way to start a business. On the plus side, leasing a building is often cheaper than buying a building, and it gives you the flexibility to move if your business needs to. In addition, you can often negotiate terms that give you more control over how the building is used, such as the ability to install gaming equipment. However, there is some drawbacks from leasing a building. Lease terms are often restrictive, and you may be limited in the changes you can make to the building. In addition, you don't own the building, so you may not be able to make any improvements or upgrades to it. The landlord can increase the rent at any time, which can make it difficult to plan for the future. Overall, leasing a building to start your gaming lounge business is the cheapest way when you're first starting out. To find a building that you can lease to house your gaming lounge business, you can use loopnet.com. Loopnet.com is an online commercial real estate marketplace that allows users to search for commercial real estate properties for sale or lease. It provides a comprehensive database of properties from all over the United States, including buildings, land, and retail space. With LoopNet, you can find a building to start your gaming lounge business quickly and easily. The search engine allows you to narrow down your search results by location, size, price range, and more. You can also view photos and floor plans of available properties. Once you find a property that meets your needs, you can contact the seller or landlord directly to discuss the terms of the lease or sale. Now, to operate a successful gaming lounge business, there are several essential equipments that you will need to get going. First and foremost, obviously, you will need gaming consoles. Depending on the type of games you plan to offer, you may need to purchase some Xboxes, PlayStations, or Nintendo consoles. Additionally, you'll need to purchase a variety of gaming controllers, headsets, and other accessories. You will also need to purchase around 10 to 20 high-end computers. A high-speed internet connection is also necessary to ensure that your customers can access online games without interruption. You will also need a variety of comfortable seatings, such as couches, chairs, and beanbags. This will help ensure that your customers can relax and enjoy their gaming experience. You will also need several large HD televisions to display the games. Lastly, you may want to invest in a sound system to provide a more immersive experience. So now that you have your location set up and your equipment's ready, the last thing on your bucket list is marketing. Marketing your gaming lounge business is an important step to ensure its success. One of the best ways to get your gaming lounge noticed is to create an effective online presence. Investing in a website as well as social media accounts will help spread the word about your gaming lounge and reach potential customers. Additionally, creating a blog or newsletter can help to keep customers up to date with the latest news and promotion. Another great way to market your gaming lounge is to reach out to local influencers. Inviting popular streamers or esports team to play at your lounge can help create a buzz and encourage more people to come and check out your business. Additionally, partnering with local businesses or sponsoring local events can also help to spread the word about your gaming lounge. Finally, it's important to have an effective online marketing strategy. Investing in traditional marketing materials such as flyers, posters, and even banners can help draw in customers and remind them of your business. Additionally, consider offering discounts or special promotions to encourage more people to come to your gaming lounge. If you guys want a longer video on how to go about starting a gaming lounge business from scratch, leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a productive day, and I'll see you in the next video.